Now let's draw this drawing. So for that I will start from the center, and here we have to draw a rectangle. So let's draw the rectangle first, and then I will click here, and you see the dimension of this rectangle is 10 by 4, and then press enter. Now what I have to do next is I'm going to take an offset of 1 unit. Now here you can see I have to find this distance from this face, this outer face to this face. Now if you notice, you can see the distance from this face to this face is 5, and the distance from this face, or maybe you can see this one as an example because this is just exactly the same of that. You see the distance from this point to this point is 7.8. The distance from this point is 5, so you have to subtract 7.8 minus 5, then you're going to get 2.8. So this distance from this point to this point is 2.8. So let's draw a line of 2.8 from this midpoint in this direction, 2.8, and then we have to move in this direction. You can see the distance is 4.8. So let's go that, press enter, and then enter again. So here we have to draw two circles, one having a radius of 1.4 and another having a radius of 1. Now we don't need these lines, so simply delete that. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to apply the fillet. So you can see here we have a fillet of radius 1, so let's apply that. Go to multiple, and then let's go to polyline, and then click here. Now I'm going to apply the fillet to these, and you can see the radius of this is radius 2. So for that I will again go to radius, set the radius to 2, and then click on multiple. Then I will click here, and then here, and then here, and here. Now let's press escape. Now here I'm going to draw a circle by using tan radius. So let's draw that. So I'll go to tan radius, and then I will click on this point. Then here I'm gonna click on this point, and after that I'll specify the radius, and you can see the radius of this one here. You can see here, which is 3. So let's enter 3. So let's do that again. Let me press escape, and you can see this one is 3. So let's apply that tan radius, click here, then here, and then enter 3. And now we have drawn that. Now again we have to draw a line from this tangent to this tangent, and for that I'll simply tap L, press and hold shift, right click, and then click on tangent, then click here, and then again shift, right click, and then tangent, and then click here. After that press enter. Now we have to trim some extra part, so you can see here. So I'm going to trim this part, and then we don't need this part and this part as well. Press escape. Now let's mirror this to this side. So for that I will select it like this. I will tap MI, and then I'll go to this mid, and then click here. No, I don't want to erase the source object, so I will click on no. Again I will go here, I will select it like this. This time I will mirror it like this, and yes, this time I want to erase the source object, so simply click on yes. And now let's simply erase the extra part that we don't require. So this is our final drawing.